Hey guys, it's Raquel here, and Ross, and Glow, and Izzy, and Afina. We're hopping on the trend of make the face and you make the sound. Alright, I'm going to be making the faces and Ross is going to make the sound. Alright, my first face is going to be 1, 2, 3. Okay, alright, next face.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, another face.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, you make a face and I'll make a sound.
Alright, first face is gonna be 3, 2, 1. No. Alright, second face is gonna be Alright, 3, 2. Oh, no, don't do that. 3, 2, 1. No.
Alright, my next face is gonna be...
Don't do that.
So bright.
Okay, alright.
1, 2, 3. Alright, my next face is gonna be... 1, 2, 3.
Dun 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 dun.
There's no way I'm saying that.
Okay.
Alright, one more face.
And I'll make the sound.
Alright, 1, 2, 3. Alright, guys.
Can we make
Alright.
the sound?
You make the sound for me, Glow. This is the face.
You're like star.
1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Oh.
Alright, I'm gonna do this face. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
This is so out of sync.